Alright, today I'm going to work on a modification to a chicken feeder. I had bought a new style chicken feeder that I really actually like, and I had used it there, and what had happened was it was letting too much chicken feed out, and then the chickens were just wasting all the feed. So what I'm going to do is make a restrictor plate for it that goes in and allows less food to come out into the actual little dish. But my other ones are the metal type, and what happens with them, at least with the setup that I have, I don't hang them. I actually leave them set on the ground, and the rivets in there rot out from the chicken manure, and it's got a spring and a couple other things in there that kind of hold it all together, and then it gets busted off, and then it doesn't work at all. So I actually have two like that, which I'll probably work on taking both of them and making one, or making some new pieces for it. But today I'm going to work on this plastic one. I think it's a really good design, and it won't rot out. So I'm going to make this restrictor plate out of another 5-gallon bucket, and I'm going to cut it up and glue it in place into the bottom of the feeder. So we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's the feeder itself. It's made out of a 5-gallon bucket with no bottom in it, and then it's got extra little tabs on the bottom that it's like a quick turn release to put it on the pan. That way it's easy to clean out. So it's got about probably a 2-inch gap in there. So I'm going to take this old bucket that's got a crack in the bottom, cut the bottom of it off, and then cut a strip maybe 3 inches wide or so. And I don't know if I'll have to cut it in 3 pieces or if I'll be able to leave it as a ring to put it down in, and then I'll glue it in place. While we're waiting on the glue on the chicken feeder to dry, we're going to go ahead and do a little welding project here. So we'll go ahead and start on that. Okay, so there's the plates in there. You can see that basically it just closes the gap up down there a little bit to let less food out, so there's not as much out in the bowl. And I'll give it a try here and see how it works. That's gonna be it for this video, so thanks for watching.